Hi and welcome. Today, we're going to tackle a fundamental task in AWS, connecting to your EC2 instance. Whether you're a beginner or just need a quick refresher, this guide will walk you through the most common methods step by step. Launching an instance is just the first part. Getting inside it to run commands and deploy applications is where the real work begins. So, let's dive in and demystify the process. Before we start, make sure you have a few things ready. Your EC2 instance should be in a running state. You must have the private key file, which ends in .pem, that you downloaded when you created the instance, and you'll need the public IP address or public DNS name of your instance, which you can find in the EC2 console. First, let's cover connecting from a Linux or Mac OS computer using the built-in terminal and SSH. SSH stands for Secure Shell, and it's the standard way to securely access remote machines. The first step is to open your terminal. Next, you need to make sure your private key file is not publicly viewable, as SSH will reject it otherwise. To do this, navigate to the folder where you saved your .pem file and run the command chmod 400 your keyname.pem. This command changes the file's permissions to be read-only just for you. Once that's done, you can connect using the main SSH command. The format is sshi/path/to/your-key.pem username at instance public IP. Replace the path with the actual location of your .pem file, the username with the correct one for your instance. It's EC2 user for Amazon Linux and Ubuntu for Ubuntu instances, and finally, use the public IP address of your instance. Press enter, accept the security fingerprint if it's your first time connecting, and you'll be logged in. Now, for Windows users, a common tool used is called PuTTY. Before you can use PuTTY, you need to convert your .pem key file into a format that PuTTY understands, which is .ppk. For this, you'll use a companion tool called puttigen. Open puttigen, click Load, and select your .pem file. Then, click Save Private Key and save it as a .ppk file. Now you're ready to connect. Open the main PuTTY application. In the host name field, enter the public IP of your EC2 instance. Then, on the left-hand side, navigate to Connection, then SSH, and finally Off. Here, you'll see a Browse button. Click it and select the .ppk file you just created. Click Open, and a terminal window will appear. It will ask for a username, so type EC2 user or Ubuntu and press Enter. You are now connected. Finally, let's look at the easiest method of all, EC2 Instance Connect. This works right from your web browser without needing any extra software. In the AWS EC2 console, simply select your running instance and click the Connect button at the top. On the next screen, choose the EC2 Instance Connect tab. The username is usually filled in for you. Just click the orange Connect button and a new browser tab will open with a fully functional terminal session. It's incredibly convenient for quick access. A quick troubleshooting tip: if you can't connect, the most common issue is the security group. Make sure your instance's security group has an inbound rule that allows traffic on port 22, which is the SSH port, from your IP address. So there you have it, 3 primary ways to connect to your EC2 instance. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful and easy to follow, please hit the like button and consider subscribing to the channel for more straightforward tutorials on AWS and other tech topics. We'll see you in the next one.